Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will study some of the properties of set data structure. Set data structure does not store immutable object. Set data structure does not support indexing and slicing. How to copy a set to work to preserve the original copy and to work on another copy. What is set comprehension with examples. Let's start. Set does not store immutable object. You can create the set is mutable, but if you create a set containing mutable object, it is not allowed. It generally takes integer, float, strings and tuples. In this case, we are creating set S4 with the element which is mutable, then this will throw an error. Click on the cell, run the cell. This set was containing all immutable object, just one object which was mutable, that was 1020. If you remove this object and then create a set, it will create a set. You print the value of S4. Yes, it is been created. You check the type of S4. Yes, it is a set. Second, it does not support indexing and slicing. As set data structure are unordered, you cannot take the index of a particular, you cannot access the element of the set using indexing, or you cannot access subset of element of a set using slicing. So now if you use indexing S5 of 2, it will show an error. If you use slicing S5 square bracket 0 3 with a step size of 1, this is start index, this is stops index, and the step size by default it is 1, but also in this case we have also given 1. Check the error. Set object is not subscriptable, means it does not support indexing or slicing. Copying a set. If you want to preserve the original set and work on the copy of the set, you can copy a set. Syntax is a new set name is equal to, we call set function and you pass it of set which is to be copied. You print the value of S6. This is exactly similar to S5. Here, if we go to the detail of set function, click on the set function and press shift tab, you will see empty set function will create empty set object, or set function takes a iterable and it creates a set object with the values of the iterable. In this case, your iterable was a set. Therefore, from the elements of the set, new set was created which was S6, which have similar element of S5. If you don't pass iterable to the set function, it will throw an error. For example, S7 is equal to set and you pass a single element to it which is not a iterable, it will throw an error. If you pass it a iterable, from the element of iterable it will create a set, 10, 20, 30. Now in this case you will say that we have passed to a set function a mutable data structure. It is accessing the element of this mutable data structure and creating a new set. It is not using that mutable data structure as an element of the set. If you see the output of S7, you will have 10, 20, 30 as the element, not the data structure which is a list as a element of the set. And the last we will see set comprehension. As we have seen list comprehension and tuple comprehension, similar to that you can create a set from a iterable or already created iterable. Syntax is set name S9 is equal to In case of list, it is opening and closing square bracket. In case of tuple, it is opening and closing parenthesis. In case of set, it is a opening and closing square bracket, opening and closing brace. X in, you have to store the element as x square for, and you have a for function for x in, and you will give the iterable from which it is constructed. In this case, it is constructed from range function. Start value is 1, end value is 11 because it will run till last index -1, and the step size is 2. This will create a set comprehension having element from 1 to 10 which are square with a step size of 2. S9 is created. Click on the cell, print the value of S9. You get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 square. After it goes to 11, which is out of index, therefore it stops the iteration. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.